Hey guys, we are back to show you another brand new Olaplex product, the Broad Spectrum Chelating Treatment. This is a salon professional product that you can benefit from when you need more than just clarifying. This treatment will remove buildup deep within your hair, cortex deep, which is the middle layer of the hair. So if you're looking for a product to remove that stubborn buildup and to give you the deepest clean, then this is worth a try. The Broad Spectrum Chelating Treatment will enhance the final results of your salon services and will help you achieve your desired look by removing buildup that could compromise your service results. Let me show you how it works. The first step will be to pre-cleanse your hair with a clarifying shampoo, Olaplex number 4C, which is going to remove the surface buildup of impurities from the hair, which will prep the hair and allow for optimal results of the chelating treatment. Rinse the hair thoroughly and then proceed to apply the chelating treatment to the hair in sections using both palms and saturating the hair evenly from roots to ends. Add more product as needed. The recommended time is to leave it on the hair for 15 to 30 minutes with or without heat depending on the hair texture and the amount of buildup. Now, this is a no heat required chelator, but heat is optional and you can use it to accelerate and intensify the effects as needed. Once the time is up, rinse thoroughly and then proceed to shampoo again with Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Finish with a deep reparative moisture mask like the 4-in-1, or you can continue with scheduled salon services. Now you're ready to style the hair and see the difference. This purification treatment will not damage or strip the hair. It is formulated to optimally retain moisture within the hair. This is a professional strained high-potency chelating treatment that combines two technologies to achieve better hair results. It contains the broad spectrum chelating blend with vitamin C rich kakadu plum extract. This is what's going to remove the buildup from the hair cortex as well as refresh and soothe the scalp. It also contains Olaplex's patented bisaminopropyl diglycol demaliate, which helps to keep the disulfide bond strong so that the hair can look and feel healthier after chelation. This is a no-mix formula, which means you don't have to waste your time or product, and it's great because heat is optional. This is a powerful non-sudsing blend, which is best for hair that has moderate to major buildup that could compromise service results. It is okay to use on all hair types and textures. Basically, it's going to create a clean start for the hair and scalp to enhance the results of chemical services, which can be compromised by buildup like keratin treatments, color, and perms. The pH of this chelating treatment is 8.5 to 9. Some of the benefits you will see is that it will help to promote vibrant color and consistent lightening results. It will allow for better penetration and efficacy of all chemical services. You will see that hair is brightened and discoloration is minimized. Shine and softness is restored to the hair, and it will help to revive body, bounce, and manageability. Let's quickly talk about the difference between number 4C and the chelating treatment. Number 4C is a deep cleansing shampoo that will remove surface level buildup, whereas the chelation treatment is a professional only cortex deep purification treatment that will remove deposits and buildup at the cortex level of the hair. Number 4C is going to be for someone who just needs a clarifying cleanse, whereas the chelation treatment will be for people who have deep buildup. You can use number 4C to clarify at home in the salon and to pre-cleanse before the chelation treatment. You would use the chelation treatment before chemical services to improve the final results. The broad spectrum chelating treatment works by binding to metals, hardened well water mineral deposits, and stubborn buildup deep within the cortex layer and removes them from the hair. It is recommended to do this treatment for someone who has hard water mineral buildup, including copper and calcium, prior to using Olaplex number 1 and 2 to ensure optimal results of the Olaplex treatments. This treatment will not speed up the processing time of a color or lightening service, but it will help to improve the overall performance of the chemical service by resulting in a more vibrant and truer color. It is also good to use the chelation treatment before any conditioning treatments to achieve the best possible results, as the treatment product will be able to penetrate deeper and work better. If your lightener has a reaction and was very hot or steam, then this is caused by the lightener interacting with chlorine and other mineral deposits found in water and on the hair. In these cases, it is recommended to perform the chelation treatment before any chemical services when working with hair exposed to hard water minerals and chlorine. According to Olaplex, 98% of buildup is removed with one use based on an independent lab test result from hair treated with buildup solution of common hard water minerals and metals. If you're still watching this video, then by now you should be an Olaplex Chelation treatment expert. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue continue to grow and put out more hair related content for you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you all soon.